दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी, या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी. Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we're learning a song request. And I will be teaching you the very melodious old classic Do Lafzoin Ki Kahani from the movie Great Gambler. So if you're a fan of old Hindi songs, then this lesson is surely for you. And if you're pretty excited, then take out your uke. Now once you get your uke, you have to be sure that your uke is in tune. And let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song we need 7 chords, and these chords are chord B minor, chord B, chord A, chord G, chord D, chord E, and chord F sharp. So guys, if you already know these 7 chords, then you can skip to the strumming part of this lesson. Else, let's first learn how to play these 7 chords. So to play chord B minor, you need to bar 2nd fret with your index finger like this, and then you need to place your ring finger on 4th fret, 4th string, and chord B minor should sound like this. Now to play chord B, you just need to use your middle finger and place it on 3rd fret, 3rd string, and this will make it chord B, and it should sound like this. Now to play chord A, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 3rd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string, and chord A should sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string, and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string, and chord G should sound like this. To play chord D, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 4th string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, and your ring finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and chord D will sound like this. To play chord E, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 1st string, and then you need to bar the other 3 strings with your ring finger like this, and that should be on 4th fret, and chord E should sound like this. Now to play chord F sharp, you need to bar 1st fret with your index finger like this, then you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 2nd string, and then your ring finger on 3rd fret 4th string, and chord F sharp should sound like this. So now let's talk about strumming pattern. Now in this song we're using a very easy strumming pattern, that is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So guys, spend some time on the strumming pattern and I'm sure you would be able to play these chords without any problem. Now I would be explaining you different sections in detail when I will be playing this song for you in the song play part. So you would be getting all details over the screen, and I'm sure you can relate it and you can play this song without any problem. Now guys, I will be using a capo and placing it on 2nd fret. This is as per my scale, but in case you sing on a higher scale than me or lower scale than me, then you can adjust the length of this capo as per your requirement, and then you can start with the song. So now let's start playing the song. दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी, या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी. दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी, या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी. आई 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 या रा रा रू रू रू. दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी, या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी. कश्ती वाला क्या गा रहा था, कोई से भी याद आ रहा था। वो कश्ती वाला क्या गा रहा था, कोई से भी याद आ रहा था। ला 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 लो। दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी, या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी। So guys, if you like this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to ukeguide, and I'll be meeting you next week with an amazing lesson. So do take care and bye bye.